But this is the letter H. H. H says hurt like in hat and in hen. Let's find the letter H, say it again. H is for horse, galloping fast. H is for house, where we rest at last. H is for helicopter, whirring as it blasts. Let's find all the H words, learning goes so fast. Clap for the H sound, ho-oh-oh. Hop in place, ready, go. Hat, hen, house, too. H makes a sound in words we know. Makes a sound in words we know.